how do you actually earn money from YouTube Shorts? Well, that's the million-dollar question, right? I mean, millions of us are scrolling through these vertical videos every single day, but how exactly do you cross that line from being just a passive viewer to a profitable creator? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're breaking down a complete step-by-step guide on how to turn YouTube Shorts into a totally legitimate revenue stream. We're going to look at the exact blueprint you need to go from absolute zero to a fully monetized channel. Let's dive in. So here's our roadmap for today. We've got 1, foundation and content strategy, 2, secret rules for viral views, 3, 7 ways to earn money, 4, analytics and common mistakes, and finally, 5, the 30-day action plan. All right, let's get right into it. Section 1, foundation and content strategy. Okay, let's look at this first crucial step, which is selecting your niche, because let's be real, you can't be everything to everyone. This guide highlights some highly profitable niches you definitely want to consider. We're talking education, tech, AI, finance, health, motivation, facts, DIY, and cooking. And what do all of these have in common? They provide immediate value, whether that's teaching a quick skill, dropping a mind-blowing fact, or just showing off a fast recipe. The big takeaway here is that you absolutely need to pick one clear path. Picking a dedicated niche tells the algorithm exactly who your audience is, and that is the bedrock of your whole strategy. Now, there is one totally uncompromising technical requirement you've got to follow, and it's the 9:16 ratio. The source material is super explicit about this one. If you want to succeed in shorts, your videos must be vertical. Specifically, that's a 9:16 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. If you format it differently, it's just not going to display right in the shorts feed, and you will miss out on that massive built-in audience. It's a simple rule, sure, but it is absolutely mandatory. All right, so with your niche and format locked in, let's talk content basics. And honestly, the level of commitment required here is kind of steep. The guide recommends uploading 2 to 5 high-quality shorts every single day. Yeah, you heard that right, daily. But hey, don't let that overwhelm you. You can leverage free tools like CapCut or other free editors to really streamline your workflow. A couple of major rules to keep in mind here, though. Your content has to be original. You can absolutely use AI-generated voices for narration, which is a massive time saver, but you just have to make sure you're strictly following platform policies when you do it. So, high volume, the right tools, and original ideas. Moving on to Section 2, secret rules for viral views. 3 seconds. That is literally all the time you have. The absolute most crucial point here is that you must deliver a powerful, punchy hook within the very first 3 seconds of your video. In the fast-paced world of vertical scrolling, if you don't grab them instantly, they swipe away, and the algorithm just buries your video. So your visuals, your opening line, the on-screen text, everything in those first 3 seconds needs to scream, hey, do not scroll past this. But beyond that killer hook, you've got to play the SEO and trends game. Basic search engine optimization still matters a ton for shorts. You need a keyword-rich title and a highly relevant description, so YouTube knows exactly what your video is about. Oh, and definitely don't forget your hashtags. Specifically, use the hashtag shorts. Next up, ride the wave of what's already working. The guide explicitly advises using trending sounds and jumping on current topics. And finally, always include a call to action or a CTA. Tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do, whether it's liking the video, hitting subscribe, or checking out a link. Which brings us to the golden metric of virality, 80% plus. This number right here is your target audience retention. Look, getting someone to stop scrolling with a hook is step 1, but keeping them watching, that's the real secret to going viral. The source material stresses that you should strive to keep your audience retention at 80% or higher. If a viewer watches the vast majority of your short, the algorithm registers it as top-tier, highly engaging content, and it's going to push it out to a much wider audience. So keep it fast, keep it engaging, and seriously, don't give them a single reason to swipe. Section 3, 7 ways to earn money. You know, most people think ad revenue is the only way to make money here, but the landscape is actually way broader than that. The source outlines 7 distinct monetization streams. First up is obviously the official YouTube Partner Program, which unlocks Shorts ad revenue sharing. But guys, that is just the tip of the iceberg. You can use affiliate marketing by linking products right in your comments or description. Then, as you grow, you can secure sponsorships and brand collaborations. If you've got your own expertise to share, why not sell digital products? And finally, you can actually use your channel as a portfolio to generate freelancing leads. You're not just building a social media page here, you are essentially building a diverse business portfolio. Section 4, Analytics and Common Mistakes. If you want to succeed, there are a few specific analytics you need to basically obsess over. Views, watch time, retention, subscriber growth, and your click-through rate. These are the numbers that tell you what's actually working. But on the flip side, there's some fatal errors that will straight up kill your channel. We're talking about using copyrighted content, re-uploading reused videos, or putting out low-quality audio. Bad audio makes viewers swipe away instantly, which totally tanks your attention. And the last big mistake? Inconsistent uploads. Remember earlier when the guide suggested 2 to 5 videos daily? Well, if you post randomly, you completely lose your momentum. And that brings us to Section 5, the 30-day action plan. Let's see how this all builds week by week. The guide provides a really actionable first month to get you rolling. Week 1 is all about volume. Just commit to uploading 3 shorts per day to feed the algorithm plenty of data. Then by week 2, you'll start seeing what's actually getting traction, so your job there is to take your best topics and repeat or iterate on them. Moving into week 3, you shift focus to quality, specifically improving your video editing to really boost that retention rate we talked about. And finally, week 4 is when you sit down, analyze your analytics, those views, watch time, and CTR, and then you scale your operations based on what the data actually proves is working. So this brings us to the ultimate conclusion from the source material. It's a simple but super powerful equation. Consistency paired with quality, boosted by SEO, and guided by analytics equals long-term YouTube Shorts income. It's like a giant puzzle. If you remove any one of those pieces, say you have amazing quality but zero consistency, or you're consistent but completely ignore your analytics, the whole thing just falls apart. But put them all together and you've got a proven blueprint for success. All right, so we've walked through the entire explainer. You know the rules, you know the metrics, and you have the plan. The only thing left to do is actually take action. So thinking back to those highly profitable topics we discussed earlier, what niche will you choose for your very first short today?